Good morning, students. This is Punit, your English teacher, and today we are going to continue with the third lecture of basic grammar. So, dear students, we learned how to identify subject, verb, and object in the sentence. Now, you see the subject and the object. Subject and the object is noun. Noun plays what types of role in the sentence? Subject we have seen, object we have seen, and prepositional object we have seen. Like how noun becomes a prepositional object. Now we will see further subject complement and object complement. Let's revise 2-3 sentences of subject, object, and prepositions. Means let's try to split the sentence in 2-3 sentences, and then we'll be continue with subject complement and object complement. Let's come to the sentence which we will split. Aarti completed the task with Rohan. Aarti is the subject. Aarti completed what? Aarti completed what? The task means we are getting the answer of what means the task is the object of this verb completed. And now with is the preposition, and Rohan is the noun which becomes the object of this preposition, right? With is the preposition, and this Rohan becomes the object of this preposition, and that is called prepositional object. So we are able to split the sentence. Now you see the noun. Ajay is the noun. Ajay participated in the competition on Sunday. This is very important sentence. Ajay participated what? We don't have answer of what. And Ajay participated whom? It can be for whom or it can be with whom. Ajay participated whom? We don't have answer of what or whom. So that means we don't have the object of this verb. Now you see Ajay participated in the competition. In is the preposition, and this competition is the object of this preposition in. And on Sunday, on is the preposition again, and this Sunday is the object of this preposition. So, and that is called this prepositional object, Sunday. So that means ultimately we don't have object of this verb participated in the same sentence. This is the repetition we are practicing, students. He placed the book on a table. Now you see the next sentence. He is the subject as pronoun. He placed what? He placed the book, means book is the object of this placed verb, right? So that means we have subject, verb, and object of the verb in the same sentence. He placed the book on a table. On is a preposition, and the table is the noun again. So table is the object of this preposition. So it becomes he placed the book on the table. So table is the prepositional object. The next one is I bought it for you from Delhi. See students, I bought what? I bought it. It is the object of this bought verb. For you, for is the preposition, and you is the object of this preposition for. It becomes prepositional object. Now go from Delhi. We can extend the sentences as we want further, and these nouns which will come after a preposition will become the prepositional object, students. So from is the preposition and Delhi will be the prepositional object. So dear students, this was the a bit revision of the earlier lectures. Now we will go with the complement. This is subject complement we will study, and object complement. Before studying subject and object complement, we first need to see what is complement basically. Complement, it is a word which completes the meaning of given expression. Complement is a word which completes the meaning of given expression. Now you see the subject complement. What is the subject complement? Subject complement, it is followed by linking verbs. What are the linking verbs basically? Linking verbs we will study in the next lecture, as well as will continue with subject complement as well as object complement. Thank you very much.